Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UnderCover's Ultra Flex truck bed cover, and with UnderCover we have Chris. How you doing, Chris?
Great, Stephen. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for coming in today.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
So Chris, with this cover, I know that there's a lot of different products in the Flex lineup, so what's going to make the Ultra Flex stand out against those?
The Ultra Flex has actually become our most popular cover.
Okay.
And a lot of it has to do with the low profileness of the cover.
Absolutely.
The matte finish on the top. And the ease and function of how it works and operates, and what you can do with your truck.
Yes, sir. And it looks awesome. This is super low profile. It actually really accents this late model Ram perfectly. Absolutely.
Everyone seems to really love how low profile it is, and that's and the matte finish. Those are the two of the most popular things going right now. So we're happy to have that in our lineup. So our Ultra Flex has three different ride-eye positions. You have the closed position here, but if you need to haul something, it's very easy to operate. All you have to do is pull the slam latch on either driver or passenger side. And you can see on the bottom side of the cover, we have this nice Bedrug polypropylene material, which Bedrug is one of our sister companies at Truck Hero. And we implemented on the bottom side of our Ultra Flex to kind of give it a nice finished look. Now, if you're gonna be hauling something that just takes up half of your bed, we recommend that you go ahead and fold the cover all the way to this position, which is the second position. Make sure you buckle the straps into the cover. Therefore, it doesn't catch wind and fly back and hit whatever you're hauling, or damage your cover while you're driving down the road. If you need to haul something that takes up the full bed, we have the struts on either driver or passenger side. Then you click into the bottom side of the cover, holds it upright at a 90-degree angle. If you're driving down the road, it won't come in contact with the back of your cab. You get done doing what you need to do, the cover folds right back where it was before. As you all know, the Ultra Flex had an L rail to begin with. We've made some changes to it. First, the main thing we've changed are clamps. You'll remember the original clamps were kind of a polished aluminum look. Now they're black, which the black has a matte finish, kind of like our cover, and it goes right along with all the rest of the hardware, and it looks really nice. As you can see, it kind of blends right in. You really can't even see that they're there. Another thing we've done with the L rails, we've implemented a T-slot on the driver or passenger side, which will incorporate our new light. As you remember, the previous model Ultra Flex came with the B lights. We've updated to this LED light, which has a T-slot that slides into the driver's side rail. And to install it, all you have to have is a Phillips screwdriver, loosen it up, slide it into the T-slot on the rail, screw it back on. Now you have a light to do what you need to do with the bed of your truck.
So with that all said, and the operation kind of taken care of, how about the installation? Because the audience always likes to know how the install goes. Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it something I can do at home? Give us your details there.
Yeah, to be honest, you know, if you've never installed one before, you might take 30 minutes. But someone who's done more of installs before, literally 15 minits tops. It's really easy. It'd probably take you longer getting the cover out of the box than actually putting it on the vehicle, which is what we like. You know, we like simple and easy. Sure. And all you have to have really is a 1/2 inch wrench. And that's kind of what we recommend instead of using an impact. That way we don't over tighten the clamps.
Right, so that's a good point.
Yep.
Now, if I was gonna give this a rating of 1 to 10, what would you say this would be on that scale of 1 to 10 in difficulty?
Probably a 2.
Okay.
I mean, it's really pretty simple. It is kind of big and bulky, so it is easier to have someone helping you put the cover on the truck. But any one person can do it. It's just kind of awkward and big and bulky.
For sure.
Otherwise, it's really pretty simple, straightforward.
Easy enough.
Yeah.
Now, last but not least, the most exciting part, or maybe not, tell us about the warranty that you offer. Do you offer any sort of warranty on the product?
We do, yeah. So on the Ultra Flex itself, there's a 5-year warranty.
Okay.
So if your customer happens to have anything happen within that time frame, we'll probably want a picture of whatever the problem is, and a picture of the serial number that's on each cover. Okay. Each cover has a specific serial number to it, and it's on one of the extrusions.
And that's good that you all do that, so you always get the right part for the right person.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, with all that said, guys, at a scale of 2 on the scale of 1 to 10, I do think this is something you can do very easily on your own. But as always, if you have any questions or comments or concerns about doing this yourself for any reason, you can check below in the description. We'll have a dealer locator there, so you can find a local dealer near you who's more than happy to make this install happen for you. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap on UnderCover's Ultra Flex. Before we go, though, Chris, thank you for coming today.
Thank you, Stephen. Thanks for having us.
It's been a great pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Now, guys at home, if you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more details about the cover, check in the description. We'll have a part number and a dealer locator so you can find this cover at a dealer near you. But if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.